So how does this bike do on Singletrack? That's my question. Well, I decided to go on something that is uphill. It's working much better. Much more down-low torque. And you can't really tell, but it is pretty steep. Although right now, the ground is slightly moist. So it is sort of harrow dirt, as they call it here. This decomposing granite turns into like an asphalt when it's wet. Oh yeah. Whoa, knocked my goggles loose. Okay, preload, jump it. Oh yeah. Wrong gear, but I was able to rev it and just slowly let out the clutch. Oh yeah. I also, when I adjusted the valves, I adjusted them so bigger gap, some more torque. I prefer the torque than the horsepower. And I'm going up this, and this is steep. I would have never done this with the 125 kit. Ooh, I was able to bring, or at least lighten the front. Either brought it up or lightened it. It just went right up that. Okay, my buddy Carl was right. I do like this a lot better with the 150cc kit. See? From yeah, I like this on the street. I like it so much more. On the Singletrack, it actually does the steep stuff. It has the low end grunt. Now, maybe stock at sea level would have had that, but unfortunately, it rained in Tennessee the whole time I was there, so I only got out on the road once and just backed my parents' property, and that was it, which was nothing. I wanted to do more, and I even cut a tree out of their creek so I could go ahead and do my route through it, but cleared up the whole creek. Not just one tree, actually a few, which I've been meaning to do year after year, but my father's a little, I don't know if he's afraid of me using the chainsaw or what, but doesn't think I'm an adult or something, I don't know. But anyways, he used his chainsaw, he put a new chain on, and it was like cutting through butter. Yep, so far so good. Okay, time to do the Tusk hill. Granted, it's a little more sticky today, so okay. Well, let's see how it does with the 150cc Yamaha big bore kit in the Beta 125. A lot better. It's like staying in the rev range better without having to go so fast it would scare a new rider. Yeah, I like that. That's much better. Get this thing started. Oh, that's off. There we go. On. Somehow that got moved. Okay. Okay. Ha ha ha! I was like, somehow the petcock got moved on me. It's not the bike. I thought it was the bike. I was like, what the hell's wrong with it? No, it's not the bike. It's fine. Petcock, I don't know how I hit it. Must have hit it with my boot, but it got moved straight. And I assumed how it was on. Not really thinking, even though I checked it. Like, oh, thank goodness, that's all it was. Okay. I was actually a little afraid there. I was like, holy cow. Oh, I brought the front up a little to go around that corner. So yeah, it made my test hill just fine. So that's awesome. I was like, why is the bike dying? Man. Yep. Plenty of power to roll on. I could not do that before. Now, if I would have on the 1365, this thing would be really a lot more of a mountain goat. Especially in first. Yeah, this bike's doing more single track than what most people buy these will ever do, other than my buddy Carl. There's not many people that are going to buy this bike and hit this stuff. So just to know, hey, with the big bore kit, you can definitely do it. So, man.